Well, welcome back, Sketchlab friends. Get ready for the ultimate cuteness overload. Today we're drawing Jigglypuff as a boba drink. She's got giant sparkly eyes, whipped pink swirls, and a boba straw that doubles as a mic. So let's grab your Posca markers and let's turn this sweet little singer into a deliciously dreamy dessert. And if you don't have Poscas, don't worry. We just use colors value because you can color with whatever you have. So this is the start of our cylinder. So we started off with 2 dots. We did a foreshortened circle. And then now we're creating the lip of the cup. Those 2 lines that curve down, we're trying to match. And now we're going to draw the sides of the cup. Yeah, this one turned out so cute today. I'm so excited to bring this to you guys. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the fan art series here on Sketchlab. And I encourage you to check out my playlist. Constantly adding to it. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave those in the comments. So as you can see, we're building with shapes and forms today. This is going to be the thickness of the glass. We're going to have some little marshmallow boba pearls in this boba drink today. And this is actually Jigglypuff we're drawing in the cup. So Jigglypuff heard that we liked boba, so she jumped right in. Yeah, she's not angry today. She's just bubbly. So this is going to be the shape of Jigglypuff. And you can take a look at the proportions. How big is that shape in relationship to the cup? I'm erasing off this construction line. And now we're going to draw the cutest little expression on this adorable character. Hopefully it's going to be almost too cute to eat. Just using some circles, different sizes. Then we're going to draw another circle outlining the eye. It's nice to get these close-ups. You can see all those beautiful construction lines. Oftentimes my students think something has to be drawn perfect the first time, but you can be very sketch-like, very loose. So I like to draw light, and then I'll press harder over the lines that I want to keep. And now we're going to draw that adorable little mouth. So look how big those eyes are and how small the mouth is. Those exaggerated proportions help create the cuteness of the character. Proportions are size relationships in the drawing. Ooh, look at that. We got some glow hearts and some little rosy cheeks. And now we're going to draw his little arm. Her little arm overlapping the edge of the glass. That's creating space. That's one of our elements of art. And now we're going to draw that cute little Jigglypuff on top of her head. It's a little spiral line. Erasing off some construction lines. We're going to draw out the straw, which today doubles as a microphone. So you can sing right into her forehead. Create your greatest hits. Well, she's pink, she's round, and she is boba bound today. Let's draw that ear. So you can see I'm curving a line out to the left and then to the right, kind of creating a triangular shape. And then we'll draw the inner part of the ear. Same thing, smaller. And same thing on this side. Let me know what you think about the tunes today. We're always trying to play around with the background music. Hopefully it's enjoyable. We want to create those art vibes today. Wow, that's so cool. How amazing little Jigglypuff looks today. And these are little marshmallow boba pearls. I'm just outlining with a Sharpie marker. It seems like I go through these constantly, going through these Sharpie markers. They don't make them like they used to. So we're going to be using colors value today, and I'm starting off with pink. I have robin green is the teal. And now this is the hot pink. This is a darker value of pink. So look at that, guys. Those shadows we've created. Super 3D already. I'm doing a little bit of color mixing, as you can see with the white paint marker. I'm lightening up that teal on the glass. Going back over with the white. And now this is the cacao brown and then regular brown. Then for the boba pearls, I'll be using beige, a little bit of ivory, and I'll also go back and do a little bit of a white highlight. Got a little reflection on the glass. And then now look at this, guys, as we put that black outline back on. Wow, this turned out phenomenal. Well, I want to thank you so much for being a part of my Sketch Lab family. I hope you enjoyed working with me today, and check out my 3D drawing playlist for more fun art tutorials just like this one. Well, hey guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.